It's going to be a short one today. It's starting to spot rain. If we get real rain, then obviously we're heading inside. Because Zessie's not all she was thrilled. Yeah, you hear the car. Or truck, or maybe fire engine. Yeah. Do you hear the birds? Do you hear the birds? Did you see that? Do you hear the bird? Oh, there's the puppy. Go kitty, go kitty. The streets on the ground. Look. That bird's in the tree. That bird's right there. I used to have bird feed out, and then we got told to take it in because there's some sort of virus being passed around to different songbirds. So everyone was told to take them in to try to make the birds social distance a little bit. Do you hear the birds? Is there a robin right over there? Oh, I think it flew away. Too fast. You going in? We are going in. Alright. Oh well. Hey, good job for asking nicely to come in. Hopefully that's a trick that you will learn.